This is a boat that came in today, and his upper gears are mush, and we popped it off with the customer here, and you can see the oil level right there. That's where the drain is, and so it was full of oil. There's the oil we drained out of it. And the boot has water in it. Don't know exactly why, but that's just good old water. There's no oil in the boot. And we took a sample of antifreeze that was in the block, and it appeared to be okay. But it was supposed to be winterized before he dropped it off, so this is just to show that we've taken it apart. Didn't find any oil in the boot, but the gears are bad, and that's about as much oil as you expect to get out of one of these. So it's a recent purchase. We hadn't had it long, so there's probably a pre-existing problem with the upper drive that caused the problem.